In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply or sign up for a Deliveroo rider account in Italy. First, open the Deliveroo app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the Deliveroo section to get started. From there, scroll down until you find the area dedicated to riders and applications. When you see the prompt to begin, tap the link that says "Click here." This takes you into the application flow designed for new riders, so you're in the right place. Next, look to the upper right corner of your screen and open the menu. Scroll through the options and tap the current language setting. Switch it to Italiano. Setting the language to Italian ensures the instructions, local requirements, and any follow-up communication match what Deliveroo uses in Italy. Once you've changed the language, go back to the main menu so you can continue. From the menu, select the option to apply to be a rider. When that page loads, tap Apply Now and then choose Start Application. This begins the official sign-up process. You'll first be asked to select your city. Pick the city where you plan to make deliveries, since availability and support can vary by location. After choosing your city, tap next to your seed. Now you'll enter your personal details. Type your first name, then your last name exactly as they appear on your identification. Enter a current email address you check often, since Deliveroo will use it to send updates and next steps. Add your phone number in the correct format, including the country code if requested, so they can reach you for confirmations or verification. Finally, choose your vehicle type from the available options. Select the one you'll actually use to deliver, as it can affect the areas you're eligible to work in and any equipment guidance you receive. When everything looks accurate, tap Next. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure until you finish. The app will guide you through any remaining tasks, which may include reviewing local guidelines, confirming your availability, accepting terms, and completing any required checks. Keep your information consistent and double-check each page before you submit. If you're prompted for documents or photos, make sure images are clear, well-lit, and match the details you entered. When you reach the end, you should see a confirmation on screen and, typically, an email with the next steps. If nothing arrives, check your spam folder and ensure your contact details are correct. That's it. You've just completed the Deliveroo rider application flow for Italy. Good luck with your sign up, and I'll see you in the next one.